Okay, so this is Rua de Tomé Pires, and we're gonna go straight down this marketplace area and just go straight all the way down that way. And stay tuned, should be pretty cool. Chiquinha, chiquinha. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Hey, Rua de Tomé Pires. So this is this little market area, and it's pretty busy. It's Sunday, so we're gonna go check it all out. Got all kinds of cool stuff here everywhere. Yeah, let's go check it all out and see. That looks pretty cool right there. This is another street that we just did, so we just filmed this street. We went all the way down that one. This is called Rua de Rebaño. Pretty busy. But yeah, that's that little alley that goes all the way down that way. Just gonna, there's so much cool imagery everywhere, so we're just gonna try to capture it all if we can. There's people coming in too with bringing in stuff, fresh fruits and vegetables, I guess, as they get sold, right? Yeah, pretty cool. So busy. Good. Let's see. It's got kind of cool stuff everywhere around here. Nice stuff on the corners too, right? Let's see if we can get like that. Yeah, there we go. That looks pretty cool. It's beautiful. Yeah, so this one we kind of got, this is called Rua de Rebaño, and this is our key street that we're on right now. Pires, something Pires, I think. So this is a pretty popular little market area, as you can see. Tomé Pires. Rua de Tomé Pires is the name of the street. It's cool. Okay, we keep on going down it. Pretty lively. Okay. So now we have some interesting corners here. It's got a nice corner right here. These corners are nice for pictures because I can kind of capture this area and this area at the same time. And you can see some of the side streets as well, right? Okay, so we're gonna go back down this way. So let's go check this out as well. Actually, those are always good thumbnail pictures right there. Hey. Yeah, they always kind of have some kind of games in this space right here. Okay. So this street's going to end in a minute, so we're just going to go up to the ending of the street. Not ending, but it's a different, the street keeps going, there's more marketplace stuff, but this is but the end of this one for Rua de Tomé Pires, and then that's a different street altogether. So this is the one that we were just on. Rua de Tomé Pires, and then you kind of back to these normal streets everywhere with traffic. But the market itself is a pedestrian street. So there we go. Hope you like this one. Trying to capture something interesting for the last spot right there. There we go. Go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. All right. Chiquinha.